beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be unboxing my Boxycharm base box. So guys, if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It costs $27.99 a month. You do receive 5 full-size products, which could be a mixture of makeup and or beauty, sometimes hair care, in this particular box. So we are going to get right into unboxing this box. However, if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. I do different subscription unboxings every month. Boxycharm is one of the boxes that I do, along with Ipsy and a few other different subscriptions a month. If you enjoy subscription boxes, hauls, product reviews, and more, this is the channel for you. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and you can stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now, guys, let's get into our Boxycharm box for the month of April 2022. So guys, this is the card that we receive in our box for this month, and it is Boxycharm Spring Revival is the theme for the month. On the back of our card, we have our box number here, which tells you which one you received. We also received a brief description on the back of our card here that outlines information about our products that are in the box, as well as the value of the items that we received in this month's box. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, the first product I'm pulling out, this is a Sila. I'm assuming I'm saying that wrong, but I could be wrong, so I apologize in advance. Sila, this is the Glacier Clay Cleanser. So guys, this product here has a value of $45, and Sila by Celine Tedris. This is a gentle glacier cleansing cream that helps remove makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells to reveal a fresh, glowing appearance. Enriched with natural botanicals, extracts, minerals, and glacier oceanic clay to leave skin soft, fresh, and radiant. So I remember receiving a product by this brand quite some time ago, but it wasn't this clay, it was something else, and I don't quite remember what it was. So this is not my first time being introduced to this product, but I have used it in the past. I do love skincare. You guys know I'm a skincare junkie, so anything skincare I am excited for. So I can't wait to try out this product. This will be something new to me by this particular brand to actually try out, so I am looking forward to using this product here. So guys, our next product out of the box is an Item Beauty product here, and as you know, Item Beauty is by Addison Rae. We have a Lash Snack mascara. Of course, it is in the color black, but they call it Midnight Blood. Is it Mood? Okay, Midnight Mood. I stand corrected. So we have the color Midnight Mood for this mascara, and it's a lengthening mascara. And guys, this product has a value of $15, which I think is very reasonable for a lengthening mascara. This is a flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara, and it's packed with nutrient lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil, so your lashes can live large. This is a unique micro wand and exclusive complex, and the formula naturally enhances every single lash for 3 times the volume. So again, this product is valued at $15, and Item Beauty is, I guess you would say, it's pretty frequently in our boxes. I've seen a couple of things from them. Between them and Ipsy, I'm pretty familiar with the brand and have tried a few other of their products. $15 for a mascara, I don't think it's bad at all. In my opinion, that's pretty reasonable, and if you enjoy it, you can definitely replace it. I have not used this one before, so this will be my first time actually trying out this particular product. I don't want to open it since it starts the clock ticking on how long this product will last, and I do have a few mascaras open which I'm currently using, so I'm going to hold off on opening this, guys, but I'll bring it back and give you an update on how it worked out for me. So So that is the second product. We have the Item Beauty product in our box. So the next product that I'm going to pull out, guys, this is by Studio Makeup. And Studio Makeup, this is a hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum, and it has a $45 price tag. So I do love serums. Let me see how I can get in this box here. Hold on. All right, so this is what the product looks like, guys, and it's a clear serum. And let's see what this serum is supposed to do. So this is the perfect serum for all ages. It's a highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum. Works to quickly reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity while the skin is highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. If it does what it says, I will be very happy with the product. I do love anything with hyaluronic acid in it. So I'm excited to try this one here out. And again, guys, this has a $45 price tag. So that would make it a little expensive to rebuy, in my opinion. So that's our third product here in our box. So guys, the next product I'm pulling out my box is my fourth product, and this is an Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. And guys, this product here has a $38 value, and the information that we have is it's a water resistant liquid foundation that creates a luminous and natural finish. This radiant formula delivers long wearing, medium coverage, yet feels so lightweight and looks ultra fresh. This luminous foundation blurs away any imperfections without caking or masking this natural skin's radiance. It looks great on its own, and there's no need to set with a powder. Again, a $38 value. Now guys, I was a little concerned that I grabbed the wrong product. In terms of, I did get to pick this as a choice item, and I wasn't really sure if I picked the right color, so we'll see in a moment. Okay, so this is the color I have 440C in this luminous foundation. I am definitely concerned this is not going to work for me at all whatsoever, and I'm very upset about that because I really want to try this out, but this is way too light. I honestly don't even think it's worth even trying out for you guys, because I'll just give this to somebody that can make use of it. I really was hyped about it, but I think I selected the wrong color and I went too light. And sometimes it's hard to tell by the pictures when you see them online. You think, oh, that's the right color, and then it's like, okay, I should have went like a couple of shades darker. So this is not going to work for me in terms of color, which is very, very disappointing. So I'm feeling a little salty over here about the fact this ain't gonna work, but okay, it happens. I mean, if you're not familiar with the brand, then you don't always know what color you are, which is the problem. So sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I lost. So on to the next one. So our very final product, guys, here in this box, I have one product, and this is Lucky Chick. I'm not familiar with them at all. This is a liquid eyeshadow, and it's valued at $22. This looks pretty small though. I have the color Rose Quartz. Not sure if you can see it, but let's pull it out so you guys can see what the shadow actually looks like. So this is the shadow, a very light looking color here, and I'm just going to do a quick swatch on the back of my hand just so I can kind of show you guys what it looks like. Oh, that is a pretty color though. That is very nice. It's a very pretty color, and it's some more like a frosted looking color to me, but let me just go like this so you guys can really see what it looks like on my skin. So I don't think it looks too bad. I think that's a nice looking color. You can have a lot of fun with this color for the springtime, so, and the summer. So I think it's a fun color to try. I don't use too much liquid eyeshadows But I am trying to use them a little bit more, which is why I like the subscription boxes, because some things you would think you wouldn't use at all, and you find out that you actually like it once you actually go to work with stuff. So this is something that I will be trying out again. This is made by Lucky Chick, and this is their liquid eyeshadow, and it has a retail value of $22. This is a gorgeous metallic pink that creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. It is a lightweight, long lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the lids or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this soothing cucumber and rich eyeshadow makes it perfect for all day wear. Again, $22 value. This is the color here on the back of my wrist, back of my hand, so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So guys, our box had 5 products, and we have a liquid eyeshadow, we have a hyaluronic serum, we have a lengthening mascara, and we have a clay glacier cleanser, and our final product, which was the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. If this foundation had worked, I would have really loved this entire box for the month. But that could be my fault because I didn't select the right color, because I really couldn't tell based on the pictures which one I thought would be the best. So that was my fault. But overall, these are the products that we have for the box. You paid $27.99. I don't think that's bad. I think we did get some pretty good products. You can always use mascara. I always am looking for a good serum for my face. The liquid eyeshadow, this is a personal preference. Some people may like this, some may not. It's fine for me. I'll give it a whirl and try it out. And then we have the clay cleanser here. So we have, it looks like 2 skincare items, and we have 3 makeup items. So I would say the box at least had a very good balance this month. Is it a box that I'm like over the moon about? I would say no, only because I wanted this foundation color to actually work, and it doesn't. So that really sucks. But overall, guys, I'm pretty pleased with the rest of the items in the box. And I feel like you did get your money's worth in terms of value with overall the products that we have in our box today. So guys, if you have used some of these products, please let me know how they worked out for you in the comment section below. If this is your first time trying out some of these products, let me know how they worked out for you. So guys, let me know what you think about my box for the month of April 2022. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Please feel free to hit me up down below in the comments and let me know your thoughts on this month's box. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. It does help my small channel here grow on YouTube. And until next time, guys, bye.